what's going on? So, just a couple hours ago, got back from shipping the cars out to Kevin, from Kevin's place there, getting them down to California for the buyer. And while I was out there, because we were waiting, I picked up a few things. One of the things I picked up is this rusty Old Horseshoe. She's pretty, got a lot of concretions of stuff on it. And I thought, I want to clean it up. And Kevin made a good point. He says, throw that in some evapor rust and I'll probably take a lot of that off. So I've actually had it soaking in a bucket of water with soap for a couple hours and took a little bit of the stuff off. But I thought, why not do this with a video? So I'm going to put it in. It is the 12th of January 2022. It's about 10:03 in the PM right now. This lens is dirty. I got me a jug of evapor rust right here. So we're going to go ahead and make a big deal out of this for nothing, just to see. I'm going to give it, I don't know, we'll check it on the weekend. This is Wednesday. We'll check it maybe Saturday. See what it looks like. So, in she goes. Put the lid on. I like to keep the lid on. I had to clean up my mess there. I just had a towel. What did I do with it? I guess we'll grab this one. And we'll check it in a few days. And we'll see what she looks like. Once it's done, maybe we'll supposed to hang it above your door. Hopefully I got room above my front door there. Hang it upside down so it catches all the good luck, right? So we'll bring you back when we pull it out and see what it looks like. Well, we're back. Let's finish up this horseshoe project. So it is now Sunday afternoon, about 4:30. Or is that 3:30? I think it's 4:30. I never remember if I reset that clock or not. So I haven't opened it. We put this in Wednesday. So might need two hands for this. Let's try it. The camera work is lousy as usual. Alrighty, here we go. Is it still in there? Ooh, it's got some heavy concretion on it. May have to chip some of that off. If it's actual concrete or something. So I got a bucket over here with a little water. I'm gonna rinse it off. Yeah, that's I think that's like cement or something on there. Dump it in there and get this thing put back on. Yeah, it looks like cement. Thought it may have just been rust, but well, we'll have to that's just mud. It's just on there really well. That water's cold. It's not exactly warm out here right now. I'm going to put you right up here for a second. And let's see Find a flathead screwdriver. Let's put you up here. You're not going to see a whole lot, but whatever it is, it's breaking down, but boy, it sure doesn't. Doesn't act like mud. But I might have to put this in the vise and scrub on it a little bit. It's got a burr on it here. I don't know if that's something to help hold it onto the hoof or what, but there we go. It's breaking up a little bit. There we go, got the big chunk off. Oh, it's definitely rusty. It's a pretty old horseshoe. We're gonna have to clean it up. I'm gonna have to get the old bench grinder going here with the wire wheel. But I mean, it's a horseshoe. All right, let me shut you off and see if we can clean this up a little bit. Bring you back here in a sec. Alrighty, well, we smacked it with a hammer. We got a lot of the bigger stuff off of it. This is an old horseshoe. I know Kevin's place, I think they had horses out there at one time. I think it's a horse barn that he used as the shop. But there's a lot of horse logging that was done years and years and years ago. I wouldn't be half surprised if this is something that was used back then, because it's kind of worn on the edge here. And it's really rusty, and it's kind of thin in a few spots. So she may be an old shoe. I'm going to hit it with the wire wheel for a few minutes and just see what it comes out like, just to get some of the loose stuff off. Well, get my glasses off, a hitter on the bench grinder. Wire wheel for a sec. Pardon me for a sec while I hang my glasses up. It's chilly out here. But, this thing's old. This thing is pretty old. So, I'm going to have to, I guess that's an old nail. Huh, I never realized it. It's still got the old nail in it. So, whatever animal that was wearing this threw its shoe, and interesting. Yeah, I just hit it with a wheel a little bit and cleaned it up. So, well, I don't know, do you have to drill a hole in it to hang it, or how do you hang a horseshoe? I guess I can just put a couple of nails on the, I can't do it one-handed, on the inside here and slide it over and it'll hold itself up there. But yeah, it's kind of cool. You can see she's a little thin in spots. Of course, I think that has to do with the shape of the horse's hoof too, if I remember right. But I ain't one of the farrier. I ain't got horses, I got cats. Cats don't like to wear shoes. So, alrighty, I think that's going to do it for this exciting video. I'm going to throw it all together, go inside and warm up a little bit. 9 degrees Celsius. Yeah, there's all the goodness that came off. I was using the junker rail. So a lot of rust, a lot of crustiness on there. So, kind of neat. Horseshoe's supposed to be good luck, right? So, alrighty, let's hang this thing before we really shut this video down, huh? See if we can do this without dying. So I didn't take the old nail out. So, part of the history of this piece. I think what I'm going to do is just wedge it between a couple of nails here. Like that. Ta-da! I got instant good luck. Woohoo! Yeah, it moves a little bit, so right on. That's gonna do it. I'm ending the video for real here. See y'all later. Bye-bye.